How can I withdraw money from my blockchain wallet to my bank account?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll walk you through the process of withdrawing money from your blockchain wallet and transferring it to your bank account. If you've been wondering how to access your funds in a secure and convenient way, you've come to the right place. Let's get started.
Verifying your account.
Before you can withdraw funds from your blockchain wallet, it's important to ensure that your account is fully verified. This verification process helps maintain the security and integrity of your transactions. To verify your account, follow these steps. 1. Open your blockchain wallet and log in. 2. Navigate to the Settings section of your wallet. 3. Look for the Account Verification option and click on it. 4. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process, which typically involves providing personal identification documents and verifying your email or phone number. Once your account is successfully verified, you'll be ready to proceed with the withdrawal process.
Linking your bank account.
To withdraw funds from your blockchain wallet to your bank account, you need to link your bank account to your wallet. This step allows for a seamless transfer of funds between the two platforms. Here's how you can link your bank account. 1. Open your blockchain wallet and log in. 2. Navigate to the Settings section of your wallet. 3. Look for the Bank Accounts or Withdrawal Options option and click on it. 4. Select the option to add a new bank account. 5. Provide the necessary details, such as your bank account number, routing number, and account holder information. Make sure to double-check the accuracy of the information you provide, as any errors may cause delays or complications in the withdrawal process.
Withdrawing funds.
Now that your account is verified and your bank account is linked, it's time to withdraw funds from your blockchain wallet. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Open your blockchain wallet and log in. 2. Navigate to the Withdraw or Send section of your wallet. 3. Choose the option to withdraw funds to your bank account. 4. Enter the desired withdrawal amount. Keep in mind that there may be minimum and maximum limits for withdrawals, so be sure to check the terms and conditions or any applicable fees. 5. Select the linked bank account to which you want to transfer the funds. 6. Review the transaction details and confirm the withdrawal. Once you've completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed, and the funds will be transferred to your bank account. The time it takes for the transfer to complete may vary depending on the platform and your bank's processing times. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to withdraw money from your blockchain wallet to your bank account. By following the steps we've outlined, you can now access your funds and make use of them in the way you prefer. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out or explore the resources provided by Blockchain. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day.